All right, guys, if you want to grab one of your structures out of here and 3D print it, the first thing you need to do is when you have select your, say I want to print this, right? Um, then what you got to do is you have to go slash and then give and then yourself. So, oops. Oh, there we go. Devenderment. And then you want to type in structure block. Okay, and hit tab to finish that out. And so the structure block for me is, do I have it in here somewhere? Where is my structure block? Oh, maybe I didn't. Maybe I got to dump something out first. My inventory was full. Let's try that again. Slash give Venderman structure block. All right. And enter. There. So make sure your bar is full. So when you put the structure block down, so I right clicked on it. When you right click on it again, you can see here this is the area that you're going to be able to grab. So what you have to make sure is, again, you got to do some math here and think how many blocks wide it is from where you are. Sometimes you just have to play with the numbers and see what shakes down. So the X would be the length, the height would be the Y, and then the Z would be kind of the depth. So if I went 40 by 40 by 40, oops, 40 on here, right? You can see I got most of it. I'd have to shift it over. So again, I might have to offset my X, maybe if I put that to -10. You're just gonna have to play with the numbers until you get it kind of where you want it to be. I almost have this on there. So you make sure you include identities, all right, and you have this, you make sure you have 3D export on there. You give your structure a name such as pyramid, whatever, good enough, right? And you make sure you have these included entities. Maybe we won't include any of the entities. We don't need that, so make sure those are all turned off, and then hit export. Once you export this, all right, so whatever it's called, put your names on it. So Mr. V, and then you can save it to your desktop, for example. And then once you do that, send it to me and I will take care of the rest. I will convert it to another file and print it off. So if you want to 3D print one of your objects, give yourself a structure block, showed you how to do that. Go in here, make sure you use the X, Y, and Z, try to get their whole thing in. See, I'd still play with this quite a bit to try to get this to be where I need it. Oh, look there. So even playing with the Z, I almost have that all down. So you get your structure in there, and again, export, make sure you have a name. The export won't appear until you hit that. Okay, hope that makes sense. Thanks for watching how to 3D print your structure in Minecraft, or how to export it anyways. All right, thanks.